Be attentive. Be attentive. Not bad. Not bad. Any problem? Any problem? No problem. No problem. Once in a while. Once in a while. What happened? What happened? But why? But why? How sweet. How sweet. How sad. How sad. For what? For what? Do not talk. Do not talk. Listen carefully. Listen carefully. Behave yourself. Behave yourself. Don't be stupid. Don't be stupid. Got it. Got it. Nothing special. Nothing special. Be seated. Be seated. Can't say. Can't say. Don't whisper. Don't whisper. Be ready. Be ready. Think of yourself. Think of yourself. Don't move. Don't move. Stay away. Stay away. Call her, please. Call her, please. Not so well. Not so well. Sit upright. Sit upright. That's true. That's true. Come along. Come along. Truth is bitter. Truth is bitter. Talk properly. Talk properly. Be quiet. Be quiet. Calm down. Calm down. Be calm. Be calm. Don't be shy. Don't be shy. At any cost. At any cost. What nonsense! What nonsense! Because of you. Because of you. You are welcome. You are welcome. You too. You too. Are you stupid? Are you stupid? Then when? Then when? They arrived. They arrived. She should study. She should study. Is it? Is it? That's all right. That's all right. Read aloud. Read aloud. Look around. Look around. Take bath. Take bath. Don't abuse. Don't abuse. Your turn. Your turn. I finished the video here today. If you like the video, please like or comment. And if you can, share the video with your friends. If you want to learn English, you have to practice regularly and learn new sentences. Otherwise, it is not possible to speak English because the practice is the key to success. So, practice regularly. Stay well and keep learning English with me.